Hi, welcome to TechScade, where today we are unboxing the brand new iPhone. Here we have the iPhone XS Max in silver with 512GB of storage, the most Apple has ever put in an iPhone. Let's get to the unboxing! When you open the box, you will be greeted with a folder. Inside the folder, you will find a welcome guide, an ejector pin, a document, and a pair of Apple stickers. Before we get onto the phone, let's take a look at the accessories. Here you will find the Apple AirPods, but you'll be lacking the headphone jack dongle. You will have to pick it up for an extra $9. In the UK model, you will find a 3-pin plug and a lightning cable. Now for the main event. Let's turn it on. And there you go, the Apple logo. Please leave a comment down below on what we should review next. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, bye!